What are you doing? Sledge! Sledge!
No.
What? What is up, guys? We are the TRG. We are back again with another upload. Today, we're playing Rocket League. And also, I'm Diamond YT.
I'm the RealEarth.
And today's a very, very special day. Because we have a new member joining the channel.
Hello guys, I am Sledgehammer, also known as Sledge.
So today, me, Sledge, and Earth will be playing knockout matches in Rocket League. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Now, let's get to it.
We're on the map Carbon.
We're in the map Carbon. Honestly, I haven't played knockout in like years, so I might be bad. So I'm gonna be aiming for Sledge first.
What? No, I'm an innocent human being.
Oh no!
I'm just like
no,
chasing
no, no.
you. Wait, I forgot. How do you hit people again?
Flipping.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Did I get you?
No, you don't. I'm too good at this game.
Oh my gosh, I forgot you can grab people. What is this guy doing? I am not. Okay.
SSR diamond kill someone.
This is alright.
That's good.
Sorry, RealEarth, but I'm gonna have to do that to you. Also, you Sledge.
Boom.
No! RealEarth, I'm sorry,
Oh.
man. Did you die? Oh, I
just
got you.
hit a
Okay.
clip.
Got this guy. No! I can't be dead.
haven't
I
even
can't
died
be
yet.
dead. I can't be dead. I come back. I came back. I don't come back. Yeah, I think I'm dead.
Oh,
guys.
you never come back.
What is this? Bro, I had the best chance of living.
L,
What did you just say to me?
L, L,
I'm
L,
targeting you.
L.
Where are you,
L.
bro? I'm targeting you. Where are you, little dude?
I'm dead. You
Already?
He's
did.
already dead.
Yeah.
He's
Earth
already
is
got
dead.
KO'd.
I just hit them into the spikes.
Die, bro.
Break free, please.
There you go. There you go. That's good.
Oh no.
Come on. Oh.
What is happening? You are not escaping me.
Oh, you almost died. Okay, go.
What? I just missed. Okay, I don't need ball cam.
Oh no, the safety
I think I
zone
do
is
need ball cam.
shrinking.
Okay, I do need ball cam. I do need ball cam! I do need ball cam! Oh my gosh.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Finally, you're learning.
What do you mean, bro? You died on the first 5 minutes.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
Rob.
there we
Oh no,
go.
I tried to rob one of you guys.
Bro,
then you
that's my
got hit.
second death, dude. Die.
Yep.
Come on, it has to be it. It has to be. There has to be. How?
That has to be. Go.
What?
Dude, what are you doing?
Let's go.
Get
now.
him.
Oh,
There you go.
come on.
Yes. Perfect.
How is it-
Oh no. How is he doing that? He's cheating. Oh,
He's not cheating either. I did it.
friend.
Come on, Ace. What?
get him.
What? No. What? Well, we're just spectating Sledge now. You're just lucky.
Oh, Ace. I'm watching Ace.
Oh.
I'm
Wait,
watching
okay.
Ace.
Hold up. The other guy has 2 lives, so you can just hit him twice.
What is he doing? How is he flying? Oh god.
Guys, if you're
Yeah.
wondering why Earth is saying these unsmart things, it's because he's only played Rocket League for like 5 days. He doesn't know what rocket boosting is, so watch him
Oh,
die.
let's
Watch
go.
him
I
die.
win.
Oh
Imagine dying once. Gonna be me.
Watch you die 5 minutes in. Oh, Quadron. I
I'm gonna
hate
die.
Quadron.
Like my favorite one is the skull one. I don't know the name of it.
Okay,
And then we
yeah.
can take a screenshot.
Okay, we all team. Is that even legal in this
I
game?
am a
Yeah, that-
warrior.
No, get out of here, bro.
Whoa,
Get outta here.
Lucas.
Quick.
I'm alive. Oh, what are you doing?
Do it. Ow. What am I doing?
Earth, what were you doing?
Stay.
Got him? No. It's like Sledge was about to die.
Sledge is not dying ever. If you see me die, then you know the other people are good.
Got that guy? What did I just do? What the? What? What? Break free, break free, break free.
No!
Did you just die?
Yeah,
Oh no, we got work.
I
Oh
died
no.
because I kept flipping into the wall and it wouldn't like attach.
Oh. Break free, please.
This is not what. This is
I'm
not what
alive.
I expected.
We
No.
need
Dude,
to
this guy keeps trying to, like, kill me.
Hello. Kill hello. I got you. Boom!
What? 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 I'm gonna live. Trust me. Okay, so Sledge, if it's just you and me left, we're gonna 1v1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, no!
Warriors.
Wait, did he just like? Wait, is he dead? Like permanently dead?
No.
Why'd you kill me then? Oh. Dude,
What happened?
What did you do?
you passed him to me and I just like heavy attacked him. Break free.
You're dead. Oh, no,
I'm not dead.
Now you are.
I think I'm dead.
Just get better, kid.
What is this?
What did you do? What did you do?
What do you mean? What did I do?
What did
Oh,
the
thanks
other
for
person
the
do?
boost, man. That was appreciated, man.
That would have been crazy if I hit that. Boom, you're dead.
I'm not dead.
I thought you landed in this quick. Now you're dead.
What is this? Oh no.
Okay, I'm just gonna say W, bro.
Come on. No! Dude, this is not fair,
Did you
bro.
die?
Sledge
Did you
ain't
die
ever
already?
dying in this
Yes,
game
I
mode.
died. I know, Earth. I know you're not talking. Did you die already? You died like 20 minutes ago.
Yes, the best map.
All right. We're in the next match. Don't team actually. Actually, yeah. Do team. Do team. Oh, I'm looking for Hunter Whales. Hit him midair.
I am not. No!
Oh no!
Oh, they're in a rule 1. I'm sorry. They're in a rule 1.
Just
Should I break it? Should I break?
What are they
No!
doing?
This guy broke the rule 1, bro. This guy broke the. He went into a rule 1 with me and he broke it. That's it. This guy right here, he broke that rule 1, so he's gonna get payback.
Oh, give him.
How is he not dead? What? What? What?
GG's done.
Who was that?
That was me.
Well, I'm still
Oh,
alive. You got paid. That's karma, bro. I'm still alive.
Oh,
I'm
gonna
still
live just on
alive.
boost. I don't even need to flip. I'm gonna need to flip. One flip. Let's go. Boom.
Okay, you want to play that game, huh? That's it. Come here, little boy. Come on. What? Okay.
I'm just an immortal angel that died.
You
like,
literally died in the first 5 seconds. You were not immortal, buddy.
What? Okay, I tried to flip into you, but I killed myself. Come on, Hunter Whales.
Yeah?
Heavy hit? Yes. Sledge. You're next. What?
Get better.
Yeah, buddy. He has PlayStation. Has
Dude,
more
I'm gonna
perks.
like Earth. I'm gonna like only target you next round.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
Don't get cooked. Okay, okay. I'm
No,
sorry. Yes.
no.
Yes. He has better upgrades than you.
What do you mean upgrades? There's no upgrades in
Because
knockout.
look at him. Look at him. His car is more cooler than yours. And he
Dude,
also has a.
cars don't
Ooh.
have the. Dude, this guy's
Yeah,
using
but
20
look at that power. Look at that power he just gave. And look at the weak power he
Dude,
just
you don't
gave.
realize that knockout depends on the speed you're going?
No.
Yes! Oh no.
Oh no.
Dude, you're gonna like trick me. Where are you going?
I'm dead.
Is
I'm
the
dead. I'm dead.
storm here?
I explode.
What is
What are you
what is
saying?
happening? Yes! Yes!
For the
Yes!
content.
Come on, I have a chance,
No.
I have a chance, I have a chance.
Ooh, you got scared.
What do you mean? It's my last life. What did you expect me not be scared?
I'm on my last lap too.
I thought you were the diamond.
You're not scared because you're a pro at this game. I still won. Yes. Oh my god. Alright, we're in our next match. I actually don't know what map this was again. I think it's Carbon. Okay, team again
And
or
I
no?
fell to my
Because I don't
knees.
trust you, Sledge. Team again or no?
Whatever you guys want. Whoever makes the first move decides the decision.
Ooh, okay. Sorry. Team. Wait, I'm about to die.
What do I do?
I'm about to die. I died. Come here. Lag attack.
I lived on the edge.
That's it. Come here, little boy. That was a mistake. Why did I do that? Sledge betrayer? Sledge betrayer confirmed?
Sledge is not a betrayer.
What
I
are
keep
you
thinking
doing?
you're someone else.
What?
Bad.
Come on, get Ernesto. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm not dead.
There's some guy who
It's
just
so hard to
barely
see
went
who's
up
like
the
attacking
cliff.
me. Yeah. Come on, whatever
to
that name
see?
is.
How is it hard?
Why?
L.
Oh, that's it. I'm gonna kill. You're already dead. I was gonna kill you. I'm watching Sledge. I need to kill Andres Pro. Come here, Andres Pro. Come on, go in the spikes. Go in the spikes. There it is. There it is. No? No? Not on the spikes? Oh, are they? How are they not?
Yeah, how do they do that?
I'm alive. I don't know how I'm alive. Alright, I'm gonna get this person. Sledge. Thank you, Sledge.
Not on purpose, I'm sorry. Ah, but no.
One Andres Pro. Andres Pro. My bad.
What do I do? What do I do?
Is he alive? He's alive. Hold up, watch this.
I'm gonna
watch
kill the
this.
other dude. Oh, never mind.
I just hit him. Hit him again.
Ooh.
He has to die. I killed him, yeah. Oh no. Wait, okay.
I'm dead.
Oh no. I'm dead.
Like, I'm permadead.
Oh.
Oh.
Two and another dude
I
is two.
think
You have
I'm
one.
dead. Okay, we're in the next match. Carbon again. Honestly, I think the skull one was my favorite one. Come here.
No.
You already got hit once. And twice. Well, lawyer is very scary.
Ooh, too scary.
I think I can
That's
kill
crazy.
him though.
Yeah.
How is well lawyer just not dead yet? I want to like kill him. I think I'm dead. I think I might be alive.
You hit me.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Who's gonna notice?
What was that? Dude.
How is this guy still not dead?
What? What? How did I do the heavy attack on you? Oh, well, I'm dead.
So
Yeah, I'm
funny.
dead. I'm 100% dead. Okay, next match, and we're in Carbon again somehow. I don't know how. Whatever. Also, RealEarth, I'm sorry, but you kept making trash talk about me, so come here.
No, absolutely not. I'm not gonna talk.
No!
I mean,
What is this
right?
guy doing?
L.
I was about to
just need
say,
to-
dude, I was about to say, like, how is this guy? Bro,
No.
Earth, I'm sorry, man.
Earth, you're almost dead? How?
No. No. No.
Wait, I'm just gonna, like, target you, Earth. What are you doing?
Yes.
What? Sledge! Sledge!
No,
What?
I think I might be dead, guys.
No.
No, my
Where'd you even
lead.
go? Where'd you even
My
go?
lead. No.
Mama.
I went to go
No.
hit you, but then you went to hit him. Like I went behind you to hit him, to hit you, and then it didn't work.
Guys.
You almost died right there. Da-da-da.
I wonder what's gonna
Oh, I'm
happen.
dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Oh,
What are you I'm dead, yeah, I'm dead. I'm not dead. Somehow.
I went up so far when I grabbed this guy. It's
Dude,
crazy.
these people are crazy, dude. What? What? Okay. Why are you? Okay, I'm being like
Now you're dead.
third party. No. What? I'm still alive. I'm
Are you
still
still
alive.
alive?
I don't know. Where even are you? Oh, you're still there. Whoa. Okay.
I'm on the edge of the map.
Okay,
Just, like,
I see
waiting.
how it is. I see how
I'm waiting
it
for
is.
people to die so that I can go back up.
Dude, not that
Abadi-da-do-da-da-da-da.
close.
Oh my gosh.
GG's.
Last round, last round.
Yeah. Best map.
Now target Earth.
No, I
Get
am
over
not.
here.
My bad.
You
Did
can't
he
even
just
hear you
die?
either.
He
Boom!
killed himself. Did you see what Earth did?
What did Earth do?
He went. He just ran into the spikes.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead.
Oh,
No,
come here,
no,
Real
no,
Earth. Come here, Real Earth.
no, 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 no,
Real
no,
Earth. Real Earth. Real Earth. What? What? Oh, I found out why Earth has been dying all these times. He's self KOing himself.
That's crazy.
Why is it like nobody that? Okay,
Okay, I died.
come here,
Wah.
Electro something.
No.
There it is. There it is.
I died.
I killed myself. Why me? What did I do?
Who are you?
Did I kill him? No. I killed Montagle, finally. Sledge, I'm coming for you.
You're nowhere near me.
Okay. Make it. Why me? What did I do? Oh my
Where are you?
gosh.
I want to see Sledgehammer. Oh, oh, he's battling. Okay.
Come on, did I get you? Did I get you? No? Did I get you? Yes?
I
Yeah.
boosted downward.
Okay, this guy is too good. I'm scared to go against Monocle. Help me. I literally... Oh my gosh.
You almost died. You almost died.
What do I... Wait, hold up. What? Dude.
How'd that
Oh, you're
How'd
dead,
that not
you're
work?
dead.
You're dead.
How'd that not work?
How did that not work?
Ah.
Well,
What?
I think we know what to do here.
Grandma.
Last round before it all ends. Alright guys, well, we're doing one more round and we're done. Quadron.
Quadron.
Okay, last round is
Quadrant.
Or Montagle
The
actually.
real Earth said I got it.
Yeah, I got it. I got
I'm sorry Earth, but I'm just gonna like straight up follow you. You know what that means, right?
Hi.
Okay, electro something. There it is.
No.
I knew you'd do something like that.
I'm safe.
I missed!
Yeah, I'm fine.
How is Earth
I
still
missed.
alive? I have so
I
many
missed.
questions.
I missed.
No,
I have
no,
so
no.
many questions on how Earth is still alive.
How much life does Earth have?
I think one. Whatever his name
I'll
is, I
save
almost
you.
killed him.
Never. Revenge for murdering.
I'm not
Earth.
dead. I never
Wait,
died.
wait. Hold on. Wait. No. Wait.
Oh, Earth is alive. Earth is alive.
No.
Oh my gosh, I almost died. I'm gonna go for Dark or whatever his name is. Come on. Okay. Come here. Yes. Didn't have enough time.
What's going on?
No! Dude. Okay, I lost my first life.
Wait. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Wait.
Oh,
Okay.
no. I cannot accept defeat. How is Earth still alive? He's just camping. Or no, is he dead? Yeah, he's camping.
No, I'm dead.
He's camping.
This is not good. I swear, this is not good.
How did I miss?
Ow.
Oh, you want to say like that, huh? You want to say like that? Alright, that's it.
No.
Like off start
No.
every time.
Alright.
I didn't have enough time. What? Come on, heavy attack.
Okay.
Is he gonna die? Is anyone behind me? Is he gonna die? Is this guy gonna die? I missed! Oh no. I risked my life there. I literally almost died. Are you just like chasing Monteagle at this point? Don't do that. Oh, I got Monteagle.
Man, I'm good. Baby, I'm good.
What just happened? Monteagle was too good, bro. I'm telling you. What did I do to you?
Got in my way.
Oh, you want to play like that, huh? You're off.
Wow.
I want to kill Monteagle now.
Then kill him. Oh god.
I got him. Come here, Sledge. I'm dead. Come on. Monteagle. Okay, just use Sledge. There's no way I'm winning, right? There's no way. Stop running away. Yes.
I did a grab.
I keep clicking the freaking scoreboard button. I shouldn't have binded it to my stick.
Oh, skibbity toy like that.
Dude,
Are you winning, son? Are you winning?
no. There's no chance of winning. I'm winning! Yes!
So annoying.
Well, guys, that was it. Well, I won the last round, but Sledge still remains undefeatable.
Yeah, guys. Well, anyways, next shorts video, Diamond will be doing a daily series of trying to get an air dribble.
Yes, and that will be posted every day until I hit an air dribble, no bounce. And, anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like
And like.
button. 3, 2, 1. See you next time. Bye.